feature, we're looking at thickness analysis. So we're going to try and do that separately for each part. So what you do, you go to analysis tools and you can find thickness analysis down there. So we say part 1 and we let it process, right? And then it calculates the thickness. Alright, so all of this happens on the cloud, right? All of this processing, right? It doesn't happen on your computer, and that's what Onshape is all about, right? So you don't need to have a beefy computer, right, for any of this to work. And I think that's pretty awesome, right? And so if you're in the plastic design industry, I think thickness analysis is a pretty nifty tool for you to kind of visualize and probe the thickness of your part, right? You can change the color schemes here, plasma, rainbow, whatever it is you like. I think I still prefer this. And then you can change the method, right? I'm not too familiar with it, but let's try this rolling ball gradient. Okay. Ray. Okay. Ray gradient. Okay. So yeah, that's it. And then you can pretty much go on your part, go around it, probe, and do all of that, right? And I think that's pretty helpful. So to turn it off, we go back and we turn thickness analysis off. Right, but I want to check out the other part. So I think you can analyze two parts at the same time, right? So but let's just do it differently. Alright, so I think it's done. So pretty much the same thing, right? I think I have pretty even thickness here as well. So this just gives you insight, right? And then you can go back to your design, tweak anything. Let's say I could change the radius of this fillet, right? If it's adding too much extra material to the part that's not within the expected tolerance, right? So I could go back, edit all of that, and yeah, that's what thickness analysis does for you. So if you haven't tried the tool and you're in the plastic design industry, I think you should really give it a try. Right, and so this is not exactly a plastic design course, right? But this is just me designing something cool in Onshape, and just happens to be a plastic part. So just taking into account some of those things, right? So yeah, I think that's all. And do like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you on the next one.